No, I do not. We have a few ripe bananas. I asked my daughter to pick up some bananas last week, a week and a half ago, and we didn't use them. So I was like, okay, hello, let's make some banana pancakes this morning. So here are the super ripe bananas that I'm only going to use one of them. In this bowl, we're mashing that one banana. Whatever this name is of the pancake mix, and it says just add water. I feel like something was in there. I feel like, did you rinse this out? We're gonna do 1 cup. Comment below if you know what 2/3 is. Pour it gently in there, and then I'm gonna start mixing. Okay, so now look at it. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Okay, 1 egg. Place quickly in the batter. 1/2 cup in there. I need to smell it. We gotta add this in. Okay, so we're adding the banana in. Now we have the lumpies. She wanted lumpies. That's from the banana. What you think? Can you see? I have a visitor. Hi, baby. On it. Let's enter the chat.
That's not a heart.
It's not? Are you sure? Hold on. Oh, Lord. Why is that going like that? All right, so here is the final product. 2 heart-shaped buttermilk pancakes with bananas, vanilla, and cinnamon. Yeah, so excuse the appearance, but hey, this is what it is. This is 13 days post-op surgery. Tomorrow is staple removal. Yay! Let's get some syrup on this. This is how it looks. Make sure to add extra syrup, okay? It's not bad.
There you are.
Getting ready for my 4th home visit appointment.